Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms. I am finally back on YouTube. I took a couple of days off, haven't filmed anything, didn't have a video ready to upload or anything like that. Kind of just took a really good break from content creating, and feel like it was definitely well needed. Was able to relax and rest for about 4 or 5 days, and now I'm getting back into the swing of things. We did go away to our neighboring state. Had my first Airbnb experience, which was really enjoyable. If you haven't tried Airbnb, I highly suggest it. We had a house, it's really affordable, and the house was awesome. So when I came back, I definitely got a lot of mail packages, which is what I'm here to do today. I'm here to do a kind of big unboxing. I got a few packages here that I'm gonna open up for you, and we'll give a rundown of my future videos coming soon. So let's begin. First up, is Grizzly Mountain beard dye. I'm gonna be dyeing my beard again. This is one of the original beard dyes on the market. Got it from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, of course. And it's gonna be interesting to do this one because it is a little different than the ones that I've normally been using. It is a powdered dye. So all the dyes I've been using, they've been liquid, foams, gels, things like that. So this is the very first powdered dye that I'm gonna be using in my beard, and it's specifically for beards. So this is coming soon. As soon as my beard grows a little, I know I have the white patch here and some white coming in here, but I want to let this grow a little so you can really see how the color takes effect on the hairs. Moving on. This one's from Damn Yankee Beard Co. Packing peanuts. And whenever you get a box, they let you know who made this. There it is. Pete made this shit. I got Damn Yankee's Iron Lion. This is the African Black Soap Beard Wash. It smells really good. I like it. If you can make it out here, it is a nice gray, silverish kind of colored beard wash. I can't wait for my beard to really grow in so I can really use this. Next package I got is from Cardin. This is a skincare product. It was $30 for the one-time purchase. They do have a monthly subscription fee, but I wanted to just try it out, so I only got the one-time purchase of $30. And I got the skin moisturizer, which has SPF 50 in it to block that sunlight, because sunlight for your skin is very bad over time. Got a nice sticker. The skin moisturizer, they throw in 2 sample packs. One is the Purifying Clay Cleanser, and the other is the 3-in-1 Hydro Moisturizing Boost Gel. So I look forward to using these products, testing them out, and possibly be doing an updated video on Cardin's products. With skincare, it does take a little bit. I am currently still testing out the Cremo face cream, supposed to reduce your wrinkles, your dark circles, the lines in your face. And the last thing I'm going to open up is something that I've been really waiting for. I've been seeing them advertised on Instagram a lot, so I wanted to definitely give them a shot, and that is the One Blade. So here's the box. We'll do a real quick one because when I do the review for this razor, I will be doing a full detailed unboxing. This is just a quick unboxing. There it is. It comes with some blades. I'm not going to take it out of the box just yet because in the future video when I do the review and the head shave, I will be deep diving into the packaging and the use of this razor. I did also get the One Blade disposable box. When you're done with the razors, you're supposed to put them in this box. Those were my packages that I got while I was away on vacation, and now I'm just getting back into the swing of things. Expect a review on that One Blade coming very soon because I am due for a head shave. Catch you on the next one. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.